Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Kumar Chaudhary and I am welcoming you at Ministry of Python. In this video, we are going to see operators and operands. So let's get started with it. Operators are special symbols that represent computation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. The values the operator is applied to are called operands. For example, 2 plus 3, where plus sign is operator and value 2 and 3 are operands. The operator like this perform addition, subtraction, multiplication that you all know. But we are going to perform this on Python interpreter. So I am going to open terminal and in which I am going to open Python interpreter. So now I am opening terminal. My terminal is opened and then I am going to type Python to open Python interpreter. So it's opened Python interpreter in my terminal. So I perform addition. It's working. Now I perform subtraction, division, multiplication, exponentiation. So this is how operator works in Python interpreter. So let's see the order of operation. When we have more than one operators in an expression, the order of evaluation depends on the rule of procedure. The acronym PEMDAS is an easy way to remember the rules. So let's see the rules. So parentheses have highest precedence since the expression in parentheses are evaluated first. For example, let us consider this as an example. So 2 into parentheses 3 plus 4. So the expression in parentheses are evaluated first as per our rule. So 3 plus 4 7 and 7 is multiplied by 2 is going to give us 14. So in this way we have to solve the expression. So now you can understand this. 4 minus 1 is going to give us 3. 4 minus 2 is going to give us 2. 3 to the power 2 is going to give us 9. So this is how we usually do. So 2 into 3 plus 4. Okay. So 3 plus 4 is in parentheses, so it is evaluated first. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 7 is multiplied by 2, so it's supposed to give us 14. So let's see what is give. It's 14. Now exponentiation is the next highest precedence after parentheses. For example, this is an expression. We have to evaluate it exponentiation first and then we have to go for division and addition. So 3 to the power 2 is 9 and then 9 added by 1, so it give us 10. 2 is multiplied by 3 to the power 2. So exponentiation evaluated first. So 3 to the power 2 is going to give us 9 and 2 multiplied by 9 is going to give us 18. So this is how exponentiation works in Python. So let's see one example of exponentiation. 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 exponentiation of 2. So it's supposed to give us, what is supposed to give us? 18. Let's see what is give us. It's give us 18. So this is how exponentiation works in Python when more than one operator is involved in an expression. Next, multiplication and division have a same precedence but higher than addition and subtraction, which have also same precedence. For example, 2 is multiplied by 3 plus 5 is 11, not 16. Yeah, we know that. It is simple, just you all know that, but just that is rule, that's why I'm showing you. So you all know this. So multiplication and division have high precedence than addition and subtraction. So multiplication is evaluated first. So 2 into 3 is going to give us 6 and then 6 is added to 5 is give us 11. In this way we have to solve the expression. So let's check in interpreter. 2 into 3 added with 5 is supposed to give us 11 according to our rule and it's giving 11. So we have to follow these three rules. First rule of parentheses, then exponentiation, and then division and multiplication is highest precedence than addition and subtraction. So in this way we have to solve expression when it has more than one operators. Operators from same precedence are evaluated from left to right. For example, 5 minus 3 minus 1 is 1. This basic rule you all know that I don't want to discuss because just a basic rule is so simple. So I'm not discussing and not but I'm typing Python interpreter. So 5 minus 3 minus 1 is easy. is going to give us 1. So what is module operator? Module operator works on integer, the remainder when the first operand is divided by second. In Python, module operator is percentage sign, all we know that. 10 module 4 is going to give us 2. Because if we divide 10 by 4, we get remainder as 2. So basically module operator gives remainder back. So let's do some example of module operator. So it's clear to your mind, 5 module of 4 is going to give us 3. It's giving us 3. 10 module of 4, 2. So basically it gives the remainder when it's divided by 4. Okay? Not just 4, whatever you type, module 2. So when 5 is divided by 2, we get 1 remainder. Module operator gives back us remainder. So it's giving us remainder back. So we can use the module operator to check whether one number is divisible by other. If x module y is 0, then x is divided by y. Let's see an example. If we don't know, then we have to check. If it give output as 0, then it is divisible. Yeah, it give us as output 0. And also we can extract right most digit or digits from number. Okay. Suppose I want to this 2 number, so then I module 100, so it's supposed to give us 56, the last 2 digit of this number. So it's giving us 56 back as per this rule. We can extract the rightmost digit and digits from the number. So in this way we have to extract the rightmost digit. So we need 2 digits, so I module by 100. So if you need 1 digit, you just module by 10. It's giving us rightmost digit. So this is the use of module operator. Now the string operation. The operator plus works with string, but it is not addition in the mathematical sense. Instead, it performs the concatenation, which means the joining string by link them end to end. So this is an example where string hello is added with world. So let we see in a Python interpreter so you can understand easily. So hello is going to add with world. So it's going to link hello with world, end to end linking done. Suppose 2 is multiplied by with parentheses hello, so it give output as hello hello. So this is how operators and operands works in Python.